Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jeff Carbuoy. Today I'm going to show you the two fuse box location on 2016 Subaru. This is Subaru Forester, and this is the four-wheel drive, the all-wheel drive. So this one comes with two fuse box location, and the first one is located inside here, the driver's side. Once you open the door, it's going to be like here. See this car, this panel right here, you just drop it down and boom, right there. That is the first fuse box right here, all fuses. And you can have access down here. And then for the fuse diagram is going to be on the back of this door right here. So if you look here, you see the diagram right there. And I believe you can remove it for better visibility if you want to look at it. Otherwise, that is the first fuse panel. The second fuse box is going to be located on the engine compartment. So pop the hood, and this side right next to the battery right here, you find this little box right here. You pop it up, and here we go. That is the second fuse panel, and it comes the fuses and some relays. And for the fuse diagram, let's see whether it's located on the back of the cover. And there we go. I think it's upside down. And then one more thing, inside the here on the fuse panel, you find this little thing right here. This is a fuse removing tool. And what you do, you put it on the top of the fuse like there, and then you pull it out. But we're not gonna do that, because anytime you're working with electronics, you have to disconnect the battery, and normally we disconnect the negative side. So when you're done, put it back, and then the cover, put it back right there. Just line it up, the tabs on each side. All the sides are lined up, and then you push it, and it's going to click in place. And those are the two fuse box location on the Subaru Forester 2016. My name is Jeff Carbuoy. If you're new to my channel, or if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.